Hey guys, this is Joe from Joe's Smokehouse and Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing a smoked chicken, a 6 1/4 pound chicken, today on our Lonestar 20 by 42 inch smoker. And I wanted to show you the first steps in getting this chicken prepared for our smoker. The way I do it is, guys, you got to rinse this off really good. First of all, I'm going to pull the giblets out of our chicken here. You don't need those. And you want to wash this thing with real cold water, not hot water. You're going to take your hand, sides, you get all that, like it's almost like a gummy grease on it. That's what you want to get off. Now spend a little time getting it off here because it's pretty slimy. I don't want that when I'm cooking. You're going to make the wings real good, your legs. And you also want to get down in the cavity. I just filled up and let it just drain out there. Get a hand down in there and just kind of massage around a little bit. I'll go in from the rear here, get that out. Okay. Like I said, use cold water, not hot. Stick it up like that. Let it drain for just a couple seconds. Get all that water out of the cavity. Then I prepared some paper towels over here on the cutting board. And you want to put that on here like this. Take some paper towels. I'm going to dry it off real good. We want this thing really dry before we're going to season this. Get down in the cavity. And we'll turn this over and get the other side. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to let this sit for a couple seconds and dry out real good. Then we'll show you how to season it in just a few minutes. Okay, we're going to season our chicken now, guys. And we're going to be using Heaven Made Products Fabulous Fajita. Now, I've used this on some fried chicken tenders and on the pan, and I've used it on there. It's really, really good. So I want to see what it tastes like on some smoked chicken. So we're going to get started here. What you want to do, guys, on this right here, you want to pull back your skin and get your meat covered with this stuff. Most guys will just do the outside. That's going to have to be hard to play getting that seasoning down in the meat. So you want to pull your skin back and get that meat real well. And this has got a lot of flavor, guys. It's got a lot of good ingredients in it. And I'll leave the website where to get it, Handmade Products, down in the description or show more. You want to rub that in nice and good in there. All back in here deep. Okay. And you also want to do these legs. You want to leave them without any seasoning on them. You're going to rub them nice and good too. Go over here and get this one. And don't be scared to get down in there and get with it, guys. It's not going to hurt anything. And you want to also put some down in your cavity. And rub that around there nice and good. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take a little olive oil and get the outside of this. And what the olive oil will do, it'll give you It'll give some color to the chicken. Also, it'll make the seasoning adhere better. Okay, we'll go ahead and season that part of the chicken.
I can smell.
Now, guys, I've never smoked with this seasoning before, So I'm sure we're gonna get some good color. I hope so.
You're gonna get some good flavor though. It's really
Oh
a
yeah,
good,
if you can smell the
seasoning.
seasoning, you won't even believe it.
Well, gosh, it has like lemon peel and garlic and parsley, pepper. It has all kinds of seasonings. Cumin. I can't even list them all. I can't even remember them all, but there's a lot of seasonings in there, and they all just blend very well together.
Well, Michael and Kim put out a heck of a product. And I don't get paid for saying that, but guys, I use it.
I love their
stuff. It's no joke. It's good stuff. I really love it. Now you just want to flip the chicken over. Backside the chicken here. A little olive oil on it. I think olive oil is a ticket, guys. Like I said, it'll give that little color to it.
And it's healthy. It's good for you.
Okay. Well, I know that's going to taste good, Amory. I can't wait. And I'm also going to be cooking one for my friend. He's been dying for some smoked chicken, so I told him I'd take care of him. I'm out there cooking anyway, so, you know, you got to be nice to your friends. Wow. I can't even believe the smell of that stuff. I can almost just eat it out of the container here.
Yeah, it smells good.
And you want to get up underneath the wings and everything. Cover this thing completely. Take a little time. Don't rush seasoning this, because this is what's going to give you the flavor. Hit every little inch that you can on this thing. I see where I've missed a couple spots. We have to go back over a couple of them.
Well, they'll get the general idea.
And I wouldn't rub that in. I'm just going to pat that in. I'm going to take this one more time, guys, on this side. I see what I missed right here.
Yeah, you'll need a little more on top too.
Yeah, gotta get that. Yeah, I want the top too. Oh, we want to get this whole bird. Okay, one more time up here. I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, guys, we're gonna get started right after this. Okay, we're out of our smoker. We're gonna put our chickens on, guys. And I'm gonna be using the bottom rack today for these chickens. Oh, look at that! Wow. And we're gonna be cooking today at 250 degrees, the target temperature of 250 degrees, using post oak wood. And what I did was I put a chimney full of charcoal in my firebox, and I lit another 3/4 of a chimney lit and put on top of that, which is basically using the minion method, so we get a longer burn. And I'm gonna start off with a half split of post oak wood, because it lasts so long, guys. I get such a great fuel economy on this smoker. So I'm gonna start off with that, and we'll clue you in a little bit later on what's going on as far as the fuel. Guys, I just want to show you something on our smoker real quick. Today we're gonna be spritzing with some pineapple juice, orange juice, and apple juice. But I wanted to show you, they've only been on about now for about 45 minutes, and I want to show you what they look like. We're starting to take on a little color. But what you want to do is, you don't really want to spritz these yet, because if you spritz them, you can knock off all that seasoning that I put on there. So it's starting to take hold. It's starting to get a little bit of crust on it. So we'll wait about another, I don't know, maybe another half an hour. We'll come back out and we'll spritz these. We'll catch you in a few. Okay, we're going to spritz our chickens. They're at the point now they're forming a little crust. Now's a good time to go ahead and get them spritzed. The color on those Amory are pretty darn good for
Yeah, they are.
that seasoning. I thought that seasoning would give them more of a lighter color.
Well, the smoke too.
Yeah. Turned out beautiful. I've taken the internal temperature on these things, and we're getting there. We got another good hour, 15 minutes more on these things. So we'll bring you back in a few minutes and let you know what's going on. Guys, I just wanted to show you one thing, how clean this thing's burning, our smoker. There is absolutely no blue smoke in this chimney. It's absolutely super clear. And for you guys asking me how much fuel I've been burning on these Lone Stars, this particular model, and the 20 by 36 and 20 by 30, at 20 by 42. Today, I start off with a half a split, and I put another half a split in. I've still got plenty of fuel left, but I might have to add maybe one more half a split for the remainder of this cook. Don't know yet. But I'll let you know at the end of the cook how I made out, but I just wanted to tell you, if I do that, I've only used a split and a half of wood for a 3 to maybe a 3.5 hour cook. I just wanted to tell you that little tip. The guys that wanted to know about it. Talk to you a little bit. Okay guys, we pulled our chicken off the smoker. Let's do a little small recap of what we did today. We smoked the chicken using Heaven Made Products, fabulous fajita seasoning. And we cooked it at 250 degrees for 3 hours. And I can't wait to dive into this, guys. This thing turned out so beautiful. Look at the color on that chicken. I didn't think I was gonna get the color out of that rub, but it fooled me. I mean, that's really awesome looking. That's an awesome looking chicken. Let's dive into this thing. Let's cut this leg off, see what we got here. Oh wow. It's like, almost like butter. I get that little thing right there, Emery.
It's all right. Sometimes you hit the bone. You just have to work with it.
Oh wow, it's just falling apart. Gosh, no, that's why it's hot.
It's hot.
Oh my gosh, that's so tender. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that meat.
Wow.
So tender. Look at that little smoke ring it gave in there. Wow. Let me take a little bite of that.
Looks pretty tender.
Oh gosh, look at that meat. That's really hot. Look at that meat, guys. Oh my gosh. That is some fantastic seasoning. Let me turn this around, do a little bit of this breast. Oh my gosh, look at that breast.
It looks super tender.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that meat.
Let me see. That's perfect.
Oh man, watch this.
Oh wow.
Take a look at that. What do you think about that seasoning? Like that breast?
That is
Fabulous, isn't it?
It's fabulous.
Well, Michael, Petrie, and Kim, you guys have got a seasoning, guys. That is fantastic. Are you taking some more, huh? You like that, huh? It's pretty darn good. Wow. Look at a little piece of that breast meat. Lord have mercy. Oh my gosh.
That is delicious.
I can't wait to make some sandwiches with that. My homemade barbecue sauce.
Boy, that is
gonna
so
fabulous. Wow. Like I said, guys, you've got to get that seasoning. That's fantastic.
And
Really, really, really good.
You can make some homemade chicken salad with that too.
Yes, you can, or make some soup. You can do anything with it. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. I please wish you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And there's a notification bell of my new uploads of my videos. Please click on that. And guys, you've been fabulous to me. You treat me fantastic. Your comments are awesome. I love each and one of you. And if you ain't a grilling, you ain't a chilling. God bless everybody.